Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're tackling a super frustrating issue: Google Drive not working in 2025. Whether you're dealing with sync errors, files not loading, or the app just crashing on you, I've got you covered with simple, step-by-step fixes that should get things running smoothly again. Let's dive right in. First things first, always start with the basics. Check your internet connection because Google Drive relies heavily on a stable network. Open a web browser and load a quick page. If it's slow or not working, restart your router or switch to a different network. This alone fixes the problem about 50% of the time. Next, give your device a fresh start. Sometimes, a simple restart can clear temporary glitches. Shut down your computer, phone, or tablet, wait 30 seconds, and turn it back on. Once it's up, try opening Google Drive again. If that doesn't do the trick, let's clear out any cached data. For Android users, go to Settings, Apps, Google Drive, Storage, Clear Cache and Clear Data. On iOS, offload the app and reinstall it. This removes corrupted files that might be causing the issue. Don't forget to update your Google Drive app. Outdated versions can lead to compatibility problems, especially in 2025 with new tech updates. Head to your App Store, search for Google Drive, and hit Update if available. Another common culprit is storage space. Make sure you have enough room on your device and in your Google Drive account. Go to drive.google.com, check your storage, and delete any unnecessary files to free up space. If you're still facing issues, double-check your permissions. Ensure Google Drive has access to your files and camera if you're uploading photos. You can adjust this in your device settings under Apps or Privacy. Lastly, if nothing works, it's time to reach out. Visit Google's Help Center or contact support through the app. They're usually quick to respond. There you have it, folks. These steps should have Google Drive up and running in no time. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next video.